everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know what are the best Discord server for artists. Keen to join a vibrant community on Discord, here are some of the best server to explore. First thing, you have an artist squad. So you could also go ahead and open up their website. It is ideal for fantasy and science fiction illustration. This serves offers high quality critique from both hobbyistic and professional, making it a great for artists looking to push their skills up. Likewise, next is a GC Core. This is a must join for artists in the game and film industries, offering advanced success industries, joining postings and opportunities to connect with notable professionals. Next, there is a Pure Imagination. Now, it's a welcoming space for creative at all skill level. This server offers regular community event learning opportunities and support for artists seeking to improve. Likewise, the next thing you have is 128 Studio Art and Design Hub. This server is perfect for independent artists looking for a supportive space to grow and collaborate. Now, this server offers a mix of professional insight, peer support, and opportunities for growth. Whether you seek feedback, industry connections, or a casual art community, Discord server out there for you as well. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.